Direct-to-film printing is the newest garment printing process. In its 4-year life to date, DTF Printing has acquired a large portion of the garment industry processes and continues to exponentially create efficiency and quality in the industry. Direct-to-film uses CMYK inks, a white underbase ink, adhesive powder, PET transfer film, and a dryer shaker combination unit. The process can be and is often done by hand for entry-level and enthusiast printers. But for high-volume orders, automation is key. To create direct-to-film garments, it starts with artwork. Artwork is prepared at 300 dpi with a transparent background. The artwork is sent through a RIB software. The raster image processing software converts the image from RGB to CMYK and rasterizes any vector artwork. The artwork is then nested into a gang sheet page to promote efficiency with transfer film. Before the producer can print, however, they must prepare the dryer shaker unit. Transfer film from the printer is fed down into the powder chamber. Next, it's sent through the heating bed and then is attached to a take-up reel. Powder is added to the reserve in preparation of the print. And then the dryer shaker unit adds powder until the transfer sits low enough to trigger a sensor which stops the dusting. Once the dryer shaker unit is prepared, the file is sent to the printer for printing. This inkjet DTF printer uses cyan, magenta, yellow, black, and a white underbase ink to print onto clear PET release film. First, the color graphic is printed, then a layer of white underbase on top of it. This Mimaki machine, paired with Digital Factory version 11, is using a variable white underbase, which creates a softer hand feel by using less underbase under darker colors. As the printer feeds more transfer film down, a sensor triggers the unit to begin feeding film through. The printed artwork is bathed fully in adhesive powder. This powder bonds with the white underbase layer and once cured will be the pivotal key to adhesion later in the pressing process. As the artwork emerges from the powder, the shaker unit taps and shakes the transfer, releasing excess adhesive powder from the print and the film. A suction roller ensures that film remains trim as it enters the heating chamber. The curing process melts the adhesive powder, which then bonds with the underbase to create a liquid adhesive that, once cooled, resembles both to touch and visual inspection an orange peel. After curing at 240 degrees Fahrenheit, the artwork is accepted at the take-up reel. The transfer film is fed under a sensor bar. As the take-up reel advances, if it is pulled taut, this sensor bar lifts, stopping the take-up reel from advancing further. Once the gang sheet has been fully accepted onto the take-up reel, it is cut away from the primary feed and then removed for cutting. A producer will cut each transfer either with scissors, a hobby knife, or other cutting instruments. Next, the transfers are taken to a heat pressing station. Heat presses come in all shapes and sizes, as small as a mini heat press for logos, tags, and craftwork, all the way up to industrial-size presses which are capable of pressing oversized textiles. The press is preheated to 285 degrees, and the shirt is sleeved onto the platen. The transfer is placed and then pressed for 20 seconds with medium pressure. Once complete, this hot peel film, made for speed and efficiency, is able to be removed instantly. A sheet of parchment paper is added, and a second press for 5 seconds seals in the adhesive further and creates a softer transfer. The garment is complete, and a skilled operator can create hundreds of garments in a single day, with the speed, efficiency, and automation options afforded by direct-to-film printing.